Now let's look at the surface area of pyramids and cones. So first we have a pyramid, which is actually a rectangular pyramid since the dimensions of the base is 12 and 10. And we have the slant height of two different triangles, one with a slant height of 13 and one with a slant height of 15. Now this is expected because one side should be longer whereas the other side should be shorter because the rectangle has the different dimensions. So when we open up the net, we should have something like this. So when we want to calculate the surface area, it should be equal to the base area. So the surface area is equal to the base area plus two of these triangles. We can name them two of this lateral 1 plus two of this lateral 2, which is the triangle. So let's first find the base area. In this case, it is just the rectangle, which is 10 times 12 equals to 120. Now, lateral 1, let's look at the smaller triangle, which is just half times the base times 13. So this is just 5 times 13, which is 65. Now, lateral 2 is the larger triangle, which has the base of 12 and the height of 15. So this is 6 times 15. So this is equal to 90. So now that we have all the relevant numbers, let's just substitute. So we have the base area, which is 120, plus twice of the lateral 1 and twice of lateral 2. So let's calculate. 65 times 2, 130. 90 times 2, 180. So let's add this up. So we have 2 plus 3 plus 8 is 3, and we get 430. Now let's look at a cone. Now, the formula for a cone is slightly different because it involves a circle. So I'll just give the surface area formula, which is given by pi RL plus pi R squared. This part actually represents the lateral area, and this part represents the base area. L represents the slanted height of the cone. So now that we know the relevant numbers, so let's find the lateral area, which is given by pi RL. So in this case, pi times 8 times 15. And this is equal to 120 pi. Now for the base area, we have pi times 8 squared, which is equal to 64 pi. So let's just substitute the numbers. 120 pi plus 64 pi to get 184 pi. Now if we take pi to be equal to 3.14, so we can calculate. Oh boy, this is going to be a big number. That's alright, let's do this step by step. So we have this, and the last step. So we calculate and we get, oh boy, 7. So the total area is 577.76.